at a little zoom out image of AMD. I want to show you guys how we talked about yesterday how the volume profile is that extra bonus for your chart. But now we're going to get a little bit into how you can trade it. So here we go. We're going to look at AMD, just sharing my screen right here. Right now, if you could see, we spoke about yesterday how the top of the volume profile is the resistance, the bottom is the support. Now, right now, it looks like AMD is hitting some support, but this was tradable below. So the volume profile is a living, breathing indicator. And instead of being backwards like the RSI, right, those lagging indicators, the volume profile, and listen up, everyone, it's a forward looking indicator. I will say that again. It is a forward looking indicator. Who doesn't want that? I do. So let's see how this worked. If I roll back here, you could see that the volume profile was actually higher in AMD. And here we had a value area breakdown. All right. Then we had a retest of that value area breakdown right at this level. That's where you would short this thing. And look what happened. That short was very profitable for you. Now, as we continue to trade down at these levels, we started to get some more activity. And that's when we had a value, and look, we had even like a retest there, a value area shift lower. So now we're playing off these nodes here. We're going to get off to these nodes in just a little bit. But you use these nodes as your support and resistance indicators now. Now, if we fast forward, AMD is at its local support. We had that value area shift lower, and now AMD is at that local support. All that to say, if this breaks 89, short it. Short it. Now, intraday, of course, because the stock market doesn't just go up and up and up or down and down and down, well, depending what periods you're trading it. But if you're looking for this thing as a day trade, there is a possible upside here. Right now, if you want to go long for a day trade, we'd be looking at the volume absorption strategy, which we've gone over on Pump Up the Volume and on the show. An entry of 90.62 will get us to 90.67 if we break into those levels, okay? So that'd be a quick day trade, but in the long term, I'm looking to short it. That would be a more higher probability trade if we do that value area breakdown. Mark, we just went over AMD. If it breaks those levels, we're looking to short it. Intraday or for today, if we do get another rip, we can play it long if it breaks those levels. What is the options chain telling you?
Yeah, so what would be your downside target on AMD if it does break?
83.30.
So, all right, that's awesome. All right, so for Friday, we're looking at the 88 put, that's $1.40. The 83 put is 45 cents. So we're talking about a 3-day play. You're paying less than $1, looking to make $5 on the play. So we're going to buy the 88-83 put spread. We're going to pay about 95 cents for that spread. Pays out better than 4-to-1 if we hit Vaz's levels. If that happens today, you're going to be out of this thing at $2.50, $3 like that. It'll be pretty good.
I like it. And the Rave is liking it too, saying that AMD is looking for a downside in there as well. All right, we just got a trade out of Mark. Mark, if you can repeat that one more time, just keeping an eye on the chat.
In advanced micro devices, AMD, we are buying the May 27th 88 put, paying about $1.40. And then we are going to sell the May 27th 83 put, collecting 45 cents. Those prices may move around a little bit because AMD is down a touch. But look, all told, for that 88-83 put spread, I want to pay less than $1. And my goal is, if we hit that today, get out $2.50, $3. If it's a little bit slower moving, then this thing could really pay out by Friday.
Okay, we got a trade from Mark on Monday Morning Live. Thank you, Mark. And it's that typical profit revolution under $1.